That depends on what the contract says. So if the contract provides for certain damages within the body of the contract, then those are going to be some of the repercussions of the breach. So the first thing you want to do is to read that contract carefully. You should run it by an attorney. Ask them what's going to happen if I break this contract. If you're in a position where you really need to break the contract, then you're going to have to do a cost-benefit analysis. You're going to have to ask yourself, am I better off breaching it or proceeding with this contract? And sometimes it does make more sense to break the contract, suffer the consequences of that, try to mitigate those consequences and move on with a different direction or a different provider. So one example would be if you hire a management company to handle your IT services, and a lot of times those companies will require you to enter into a one-year term for their services, and those contracts will typically state that if you break and you breach and you try to get out of the contract, that you're still on the hook for the remaining balance of all of the months of the term that hasn't been used up yet. So there is going to be a financial repercussion in that type of a situation. So again, you got to look at the contract and get consultation from an attorney and make a business decision on whether it's wise to breach that contract.